What's up, good people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, wherever you are on it. This is Dave, your boy, again this evening. Sorry, I'm not putting on any shit. I just let me do a little recap on this Great Britain pound USD. It's been a while that I analyzed this market, but I believe you guys, will have seen some things that is, a little bit kind of, I don't know what you see, but from what I could see, this market is an uptrending market. So, people, please just let me know what you see. Let me know what you think about this market. Please, I would definitely appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, and click the notification button on my YouTube channel and all my social media pages. So, like we were saying, let's get down to business. I'm sorry if I'm not putting on any shit. It's midnight here. It's like after 3 or something. Yeah, this is almost 4 o'clock in the morning. And look at this market. I've analyzed this market for more than a week now, and it's going to the specific direction that I analyze it to go. So, people, please, if you want to trade, you have to watch, the statistics of the market. You just don't jump into the market. You just have to watch the statistics of the market. There are many things that shows within this range, within this very curving range. There are many things that shows that this market is swinging up. It's going all the way up. So there are many things that shows this. So please, people, please just let me know what you think, from what I could see, from what I could say, from what I could calculate, from my own statistics, from the statistics of me and some of my old team. What I could see here is that this market is shooting up high. You get it? So please just let me know what you think. Let me know, what you see, what you think, how you see it. So when we check it way back, we can see that this market started climbing up. It fell down on the favor of USD at March 9, 2020. Start falling down. USD start dominating the market. I believe this was around when the COVID-19 was so strong in the world. You understand? It fell down till March 18, 2020. Great Britain pound picked it up from there, but it wasn't much strength. USD drag it down. Great Britain pound keep picking it. USD was speaking the language, but Great Britain pound was still keep reaching up to its own primary potential. You get it? Great Britain pound is taking it up while USD is taking it down. You get it? So the strength of Great Britain pound taking it up is still there. It hasn't really lost its momentum. But here's what I'm saying. Whatever USD is doing, Great Britain pound USD, it ain't gonna pass this circle. It will keep curving up. It will curve up. It will keep going up. It will curve and start going to the top. You get it? This is what I see there. This is what I see in this market. Please, people, I would like to know what you see. I would like to know what you want to say about this market. Just let me know what you do. Just let me know what you think. You get it? So just check it way back behind. Let's see how strong USD has been. April 12, 2018, USD took another direction and start falling down, start bringing Great Britain pound down. This has been to many advantage of USD. Should you look at it, USD is a very strong currency on it. Not strong as not that strong when it comes to international conversion, but it's dominant in the international market. It's very dominant. So this is why I believe, it's like a foreign exchange of a thing. It's so dominant, it's so strong in the market, in the international market, because it's allowed in many places on it, which is a very, very good thing. But when you now check it, Great Britain pound has not even tried to balance half of what USD has done. You get it? But from what I could see here, the market is swinging all the way up. You get it? So whatever the market will do, it will not pass this range of this curving range. You get it? So it might, it's going up. This is what I see. It's climbing up with this wave. It's climbing up like this. It's a wave market, so it's climbing up. So I'm not afraid of that. I'm in the market. I'm not afraid of that. You get it? So people, please just let me know what you think, what you see, what you want to say about this. I'm sorry I didn't put on any shirt. It's midnight here, so I didn't put on pajamas or anything. It's midnight. I just wake up to like analyze the market. So people, I really thank you for watching my video. So please do like, share, subscribe on my channel. I really appreciate it. Please trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless us all. Have a good one.